If you've ever tried to wrestle a burning log with a flimsy stick, or gotten a face full of heat while trying to save a marshmallow, it's time to stop gambling with your safety and your cozy night. A heavy-duty firewood grabber is your critical first line of defense against spilled drinks, singed eyebrows, and a fire that just won't behave. The best models offer expandable reach, serrated claws that bite deep, and ergonomic handles that make tending the flames an absolute joy. Before we break down the top 5 models on Amazon, remember to use the links in the description below to check the latest prices and exclusive discounts. These links support our channel at no extra cost to you. Let's get right into it. Number 5. The RAOMEIDE 41-inch Expandable Fire Tongs. Starting off our list is the versatile and adaptable RAOMEIDE Expandable Fire Tongs. This clever tool telescopes to 2 perfect lengths, a compact 32 inches for indoor fireplace use and a full 41 inches for commanding large outdoor fire pits. It features an ergonomic rubber handle designed like a golf club grip, dramatically reducing hand strain and making your fire tending session more comfortable. The business end is equipped with curved and serrated claw tongs that effortlessly grab hold of larger, heavier logs with precision control. It's built with a hybrid design using heavy-duty manganese steel at the front for strength and stainless steel at the handle to reduce weight. For the user who wants 2 tools in one with a fantastic, comfortable grip, the RAOMEIDE Expandable Tong is a brilliant choice. Number 4. The USENIOR Heavy-Duty 42-inch Firewood Tongs. Coming in at number 4 is the rugged and innovative USENIOR 42-inch Firewood Tongs. This model delivers a seriously impressive scissor-shaped serrated design, providing immense leverage and a powerful, stable grip on logs of almost any size. Its handle features a 12-inch wooden extension that is thickened and expertly heat-insulated, allowing you to work comfortably while staying a safe distance from the flames. The patented 3-stage disassembly design means it can be broken down for easy storage or portability, fitting perfectly into a backpack for camping adventures. You can adjust its length between 30 inches for indoor use and a full 42 inches for dominating the outdoor fire pit. For a portable, incredibly sturdy grabber built for real adventures, the USENIOR is a fantastic investment. Number 3. The RAOMEIDE 41-inch Tongs and 49-inch Poker Set. Taking the number 3 spot is the complete fire management solution, the RAOMEIDE Tongs and Poker Set. This dynamic duo gives you total control. The poker itself telescopes from 32 to 40 inches, making it perfect for both raking indoor embers and managing outdoor bonfires. The matching 41-inch tongs feature the same ergonomic golf-style grip and serrated claws for seamless, comfortable operation. The entire set is built with a tool-free quick assembly and disassembly system, going from compact storage to ready to use in under 2 minutes with no tools required. The combination of the manganese steel construction and the stainless steel handles ensures durability without the backache. For the fire enthusiast who wants a matched set of professional-grade tools that store easily, the RAOMEIDE set is the smart choice. Number 2. The Sunnydaze 40-inch heavy-duty fireplace tongs. Securing our number 2 position is the absolute tank, the Sunnydaze 40-inch fireplace tongs. This Amazon favorite is a beast, weighing in at 2.5 pounds of pure heavy-duty steel construction built for longevity and added rust resistance. It's designed to safely maneuver massive logs up to an incredible 16 inches in diameter without breaking a sweat. The claws on the bottom are perfectly engineered to provide ultimate stability and control when handling even the most awkwardly shaped pieces of burning wood. Its straightforward, no-nonsense 40-inch length is the perfect balance for most outdoor fire pits, giving you plenty of reach. Backed by a worry-free 1-year manufacturer's warranty, the Sunnydaze tong is one of the most reliable and powerful investments you can make. Number 1. The CKLT 40-inch fire log tongs and poker set. Claiming the top spot is the undisputed champion, the CKLT 40-inch fire tongs and poker set. This is the ultimate fire management system, combining best-in-class design with rugged durability. It features a patented, innovative design with an extra-long 6-inch rubber handle that is both ergonomically shaped and expertly heat insulated for maximum comfort and safety. The entire set is constructed from heavy-duty manganese steel with a modern powder-coated rust-proof surface that is built to last a lifetime. The tongs can delicately pick up a pencil-sized twig and then provide a crushing grip on a large log, adapting to any task with ease. By combining a best-in-class grip, professional materials, and a perfectly matched tool set, it provides complete command over any fire. For the person who refuses to compromise on safety, comfort, or performance, the CKLT set is the undisputed #1 choice. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best firewood grabber tongs on Amazon. We hope this helped you find the perfect tool to command your campfire or fireplace. If it did, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Have a great one, and keep your fires burning safely.